Hey guys, welcome to a special episode of our home cooking series. Nganong special? Because karong si manahon na, yes, this week, 1 month na ta nga nag-uban og nagkuyog kung saon pagluto or pagkaton og luto sa itong mga panimalay. So yes, happy mansari ka nato. Yay! May patan, abot ta og 1 month. Okay? Pero thank you so much sa inyong mga support, sa inyong comments, sa inyong suggestion nga naabot itag manuwat na dili kay boring. Thank you, Gyud Kaayo. And I have to make a shout out or have to make comment sa akong new family, the Bisaya YouTubers Club. Thank you, Gyud Kaayo, because actually I'm not very active in YouTube, but because of this series, na-active ko sa YouTube and I've been invited to be part of this group sa Facebook. And yes, nihatag yung suggestions. So they are my new family now and they have helped me actually to gain more subscribers. Salamat yung kaayo ninyo. And yes, kay dili ginatuundangon ang pagkaton og luto sa tong panimalay. Because yes, even though dili na ta ECQ, we are now in GCQ. And we don't know what would be our community quarantine status in the coming days. But always remember, the prohibitions are good ang mawala, but the virus is still there. So let us continue to stay home and to stay safe. Let's not go out and risk ourselves or our family na probably makakontak sa virus. So for that, for your home cooking needs or for your recipes or ingredients, there's a lot of online delivery shops nga. Actually, it saves you the hassles of going there. Pwede na ka maghigdas inyong country, then mag-browse-browse lang dayon ka, and ilan na din i-deliver sa inyong balay. And with that, I would recommend www.clickyandshop.ph because with them, they guarantee a next day delivery. Or in my experience, Gali, if ever you're early sa'yo sa butag, like when I wake up 5 or 6 a.m., inig late afternoon, ilan na gyudeng ma-deliver. So again, that's www.clickyandshop.ph. So, dili na nagayon kay may sa akong guest. Actually, it's a special episode. Ang atoang guest is very special also. Actually, slightly special siya for this series because actually this person is just a person na already encouraged you to resulting nga, go doc, do that series. Na actually, kulmaan ko karon na episode. Di ko kay maunsa siya pag-intro. So, di ba? So, ina ko dugayon, oy, kay basi-basayok pa unya ako, okay? Kay nga naman, because our guest is no other than the COO or the Chief Operating Officer of the Republic Group of Companies. No other than Miss Beatrice Claudine Alfar Evardone. Hi, babe! Hi!
Wala ko nag-expect.
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm happy to be at home. And
Yes.
ikaw daw, kumusta?
Ayo, so nanakos clinic na ko all the time kasi sige pagpangandam ug sige adjust. So, thank you Jud Kaayo good for sharing a special recipe as in honor Jud Kaayo for honor sila nag-follow ani nga series that you will be sharing a recipe as in. For sure pang shala ni siya nga recipe sana maka-relate ni.
Hoy, sus guys. Social siya paminawon pero sa yun yung Stroganoff. So a lot of you guys know chicken Stroganoff. So a lot of people know Stroganoff nga beef. And my take is chicken because I like the cleaner taste of ng mas ganahan na ko sa chicken kaya mas limpyo siya, mas kanang light in a way. And mas versatile po siya. So I sometimes mix this with pasta or rice. So kanang mas ganahan ko sa chicken.
First time na ako makadungog karon because ako usually matry beef stroganoff lamang yun. May permin na ako na-try or nadunggan. When you try nga murag chicken stroganoff, oh, first time, bago. And I think murag simple na kaya itong recipes, no? Yes, atong ingredients.
Yep. Yes, very used to the ingredients that I currently have. So, and guys, to those who are cooks or professional chefs, you might think that's not a Stroganoff. Kaya ang Stroganoff dapat sour cream or everything else. But again, the goal of the show or ang kaning kang home series ni Doc, no? Home cooking series. Dapat ka ng reachable, medyo affordable, o ka ng dili lisod pangitaon ang ato ang ingredients. And so, kato siya, I would like disclaimer lang, I'm not saying that this is legit, but I'm saying this recipe has gained a lot of kanang love from my family. My cousins love this. And I cook this sometimes for myself, my family. So, happy yung ganun sila yung recipe. So,
basta
right, that's right. Of course, Doc. So, atong ingredient karon, of course, we have the garlic.
Okay, garlic.
You mince it. And then, white.
For a moment, like for sure, chicken matumi ingredient. For pila ka kilo sa itong chicken?
Chicken breast.
Okay, so probably around 1/4, right? 1/4 or 1/2?
Kind of, yeah. Okay. And then, ako siya strips.
Okay. Now, I'm saying that para at least for every 1/2 kilo of chicken, pila to ka teaspoon na garlic, yes.
The garlic is, 4 cloves, 4 cloves
Okay,
of
4
garlic.
cloves of garlic. Okay.
And 1 whole white onion na diced.
Okay. White onion.
Yep. And then we also have like a can of mushrooms. So the big
okay.
can, a can of mushrooms.
No? Yeah.
Yep. And lastly, we have the all-purpose cream here. So this is where
the all-purpose cream is like the 1 box na siya or
one
can?
box.
1 box.
The 1 box lang. And then for the spices, it's just really straightforward. Of course, we have the salt. Salt. So, ang salt kay just an amount that you need nga para ni mo lami na siya. I'm also using white pepper. So I just sprinkle white pepper. And 1 beef cube. So mag-wonder mo, anong beef cube man nga?
But don't question, yes.
I personally find it more tasty and richer ang flavor basta beef broth. Ang chicken broth is good, but I would prefer the beef all the time. So yeah, that's it. What you need to do is kabutog 500, mga one thing ali, makakasuko 500 na, pinakamahal na.
I think less than 500 na siya. Kaayo. So it's very affordable. And I think I would assume gali some of our viewers, they can cook it right away. Kaya most of the ingredients pwede na yun nasa balay.
Yes, so these are things that you can find on your pantry. Of course, I also have like a glass of water. So you just heat the pan, and then you add the oil. So I'm using canola oil.
Okay.
Canola oil.
High heat, ha?
Mid-heat. And then medyo kuan lang. About 3 tablespoons of oil. Then you put it together.
I know na daghan naman yung white onions, but just in case, pwede ba sa red onions or strong raking red?
Pwede na ba yan siya? But I would prefer the white onions because the red onions kay medyo strong siya and medyo mupait siya ito-taod. So the white onions, I find them a bit sweeter compared to your regular onions. I let it sweat for a while. Mga about 30 seconds. I'm gonna add the garlic. Again, I'm using 4 cloves. Kasi it's about clear or transparent. Hindi ko siya maklaro, no? But kani siya. Clear and transparent na siya. That's when you can add the chicken. So you just put it in.
Yeah. So that's
chicken breast. And the chicken breast is sliced into strips. Yeah. Okay. And make sure that you keep mixing it. This is why I love this dish. Because social siya pabinawon niya. Social sa siya tanawon, but really, it's very quick to do. So at this point, you season your chicken with salt. About some salt. And then pepper. I'm using white pepper. Kiganahan ko limpyo siya. There. I think a dish is request gini sa kung mga igagaw kayo me. Sige,
you were really good.
You mix that together. Until it becomes like kanang brown na bitaw na wag ka na pagka-pink sa manok. At this point, I'm gonna add like a half a cup of water.
Okay.
Lang. So half pa to siya ma-pop. And then I'm just gonna let that simmer for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Nabiyaan na po the cover. So, kuha gid siya. I started cooking when I was like grade 4. So, grandma.
What was your first dish nga nakatunagluto?
First dish was it was garlic soup.
Okay.
So, egg and garlic soup. So, yun na kayo to.
So, okay ba sa pagluto ang garlic soup?
Well, you just have to saute the garlic until it browns. And then you add water. And then after you add water, you add ka ng chicken broth. And then you mix it all together. Mura siya egg drop soup, but kanang garlicky ang iyang flavor.
Yeah, plus spring onions, right?
Spring onions, yes.
Yes.
So once that's simmered down, mura gamay na itong tubig, you can actually add the mushrooms.
The mushroom.
So sliced mushrooms, 1 can.
1 can.
1 can.
You drain it na to, right?
Yes, I drained it. And then at this point, I'm gonna add a little bit more water, mga 1/4.
1/4, okay.
Just para lang muluto bitaw.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna let it simmer there.
So
Kuya? Pang gikabuangan yun doon kay mga Korean dish.
Yeah, I'm seeing your stories as makasuya gud kaayo.
Pero Dok, grabe ka barato ang ingredients na mahibong tanong nga mukhaon ka Korean restaurant. 399 unlimited meat, unlimited side dish, di ba sulit kayo? When I actually started cooking Korean food, I realized na barato kay tanan, as in super barato. So kasuway ko nga, the first grocery I had, like I bought the kanang essentials lang. So gochujang, soybean paste, sesame oil, kimchi, and then kung nakakaana nga ingredients, kaya you could basically cook any Korean meal. Oh, paste, maurag yun, yung muna isakol sa tanan. Dok, ni simmer na siya gamay nun, ubos-ubos na po na itong tubig. Dali na mo kaya maluto ang manok, especially when it's breast. Kaya wala man siya. So this is when you actually add your beef cubes.
Beef cubes. Oh, okay.
So you add it there. I personally like, ako siya i-half-half para dali siya. It smells really good now.
Yeah.
So wait about for like a minute na simmer pa siya with the chicken broth. With the beef cubes. Unya, that's when we add our cream. Pas-pas kayo Dok, pila naman taka minutes diri. Pas-pas siya guys. So katong mga na-schedule, nagdali pirmi, ganahan mo, impress sa ilahang mga kaila. So at this point, ni-simmer naman ang iyahang tubig. This is when I add the all-purpose cream. It makes it sweeter. It makes it thicker and creamier. Which is kanabitang the distinct taste of stroganoff.
Yeah.
So you just mix that and again let that simmer until it becomes thick. So kanito magsige ka ukay ani because it's cream magud basin mo pilit bitaw or
masunog, yeah.
So just make sure nga nothing ever sticks on the pan. You know, I said kanina, Doc, na dili ko mag-add og butter.
Pero
ang butter, ako siya i-add sa last.
Oh, para na siya buttery taste after.
Kasi buttery taste, pero dili bitaw kung imo man gud siya i-reduce to kanang with the garlic and onion, akong feeling
actually mawala siya.
Oh, mawala siya or ang iyang taste kay kanang bitaw murag ang imong onions inigpaak mo more na siya butter, which is ako siya dili ko ganahan pod. So ako siya mura ba siya pang final push lang sa mong dish.
Yes.
So I mix it sa very last part just so it would have that hummus, not push the taste. Dawa na ko one last time.
Yes.
So now that it's done, all I need to do is transfer it to a plate. So I'm gonna get my plate. Sige lang, ako siyang i-zoom din haon niya, Doc, para makakadjust.
Yes. Para mas masuya pa ko more.
Sige. Ako siya butang din ha. Ako personally, di ko ganahan na sinabaw siya. Pero ako mga cousins mo request gilog sabaw.
Yeah, kaya para ibutang sa rice.
So ako naanad ko nga na siya gamayng sir. So all I need to do, ako na iabos taas ang sauce.
Yes.
So there we have it, Doc.
Oh,
Nothing fancy. It's not super amazing, no? Pero this is a dish nga we've been cooking at
home. I think so rich you can flavor ana niya.
Yes. So it's rich, it's creamy, it's quick to do. I think we were able to finish this in less than 30 minutes, guys.
That's for sure, less than 30 minutes. Or less than 20, actually. Sorry.
But I always tell my cousins. I always talk about my cousins because I cook for them a lot. So, sila mga request na ko pirmi ko sila na akong audience. And now, one of them is actually saying na ganahan ako magluto. Like, she's actually picked up the interest to cook. And then she's gonna ask me, what are your tips? What should I do? And everything that I do is just really tell her, when you cook from the heart. Like, really love what you're doing and really enjoy it. Kaya kung wala ko sa mood, wag yung lami akong pagkaon. Kung ganahan ko sa akong gibuhat niya, naghuna-huna ako sa mga mukaon, I'd be more inspired, I'd be more motivated to actually cook. So, char siya paminawon, kanang murag OA siya paminawon to some. But guys, if you cook from the heart, matilawan yun as mga mutilawong nga lami because you enjoyed what you're doing genuinely. So, cook with the heart. Mora yun na. I don't know. Instagram, Bea Evardone. I cook random things. Every Saturday night, I cook Korean food because most of the time weekdays, medyo nag-diet, ano. So, Saturday is when I cook. And if I may mention also, kanang a lot of things that we're doing actually from where I am at, by TV, follow it. The kantag mga lingaw-lingaw din ha. Actually, we have a collaboration with DocSave and it's gonna roll out soon. And stay home. Practice social. Well, if you need to go out, wala gani problema as long as you practice safe social distancing, wear your mask, wash your hands all the time, and make sure nga ibot is balay maligit mo diretso. And basically, guys, I know this is a very tough time, but I hope that you guys acknowledge that it's okay to be afraid, it's okay to be anxious, as long as kanang you're also open about it to other people, so naman we can help each other. So,
I agree.
That's so, DocSave, kay si DocSave naghatag gid nato og kanang kalingaw o kalipay sa karong mga panahon no, lisod kaayo. But DocSave's content makes me happy. Like,
wow, thank you.
Yes, sad akong emoji nga ihatag nimo pero malipayon kay ko magtan-aw nimo ang luto ko ma-inspire.
For that, we need to be creative also at this time. So we should watch Creative Hour, right? Every kalusa ka na Creative Hour.
Wala, kalimot ko nga naaday ko show.
Exactly.
Show everyone Republic Group of Companies Facebook page. It's called Creative Hour Online. It's a creative space where we talk about different passions. And it happens every 2 p.m. Wednesdays and Thursdays. For us, magod sa RGC o sa TV, we really think that even if times are tough, there are still ways to actually be entertained and be informed. So, kana siya, follow our shows, follow my show, Creative Hour Online, para pod ka na naman makatunan in this quarantine. Like, kang DocSave, what he's doing, ako lahi pa ako, more on creativity, marketing, tech. So, that's the topic. But yeah, follow me there.
Yes, pang bright iya ako magluto ra gyud tag mga on. Again, Miss Bea, salamat jud kayo for sharing. And yes, because I think that recipe is quite special good for you. And special kay ko nga imong gi-share nga hinga show. Salamat jud ka. Okay, sige, that's it. Sige, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So that's it, guys. So at least now we know how to cook chicken stroganoff. Murag social kay siya paminaw no, honestly. Murag gusto ko sa pag-spell ang stroganoff. Pero yes, murag lami jud kay siya. Thank you so much, Bea, for sharing it. Murag quick and simple gid kay siya. Promise murag I think all the recipes dali kay na to mapalit. And then again, for your online deliveries, please try to use www.clicandshop.ph. Kay very minimal fee. I'm actually murag pirihara sa pagtaxi nimo going back and forth and save you the hassle of going there and lining up. So before I go again, please don't forget to follow me in all my social media accounts. That's at Dookisave. It's DOOKIEXAVE in Instagram, Twitter, and in Facebook. And hashtag TheDentistIsOut in YouTube. That's it. So then again, please continue to please stay home, stay safe, and just keep on smiling. Bye-bye.